Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'll show you two simple ways to move data in your spreadsheets. Let's get started. Method 1. Cut and paste. Here's an inventory spreadsheet, and I want to move this range of cells. The first way is the classic cut and paste method. Select the range by clicking and dragging. Hold Ctrl and press X to cut. Click the new location. Hold Ctrl and press V to paste. That works fine, but let's look at a faster method. Method 2. Click and drag to move. This one is really handy, especially for small ranges. First, select the range you want to move. Move your mouse to the edge of the selection. It could be the top, bottom, left, or right edge. When the cursor changes, click and hold. Now drag the range to the new location and release the mouse button. Just like that, the data moves instantly. Moving larger ranges. You can do the same thing with bigger ranges too. Just select the whole block, click on the edge, drag, and release. One small thing to note. Sometimes when you move large ranges, the column widths and formatting don't always carry over perfectly. That's a limitation of this method. But in most cases, it's the quickest and easiest way to move data around your sheet. And that's it. 2 easy ways to move data in Excel. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos.